All right, so this is example number 4 on the inequality word problems worksheet. So it says Leah started an online business selling hot chocolate bombs. Leah spends, let me start annotating here, $350 a month to buy supplies and pay for the website. During 1 month, Leah sells 100 hot chocolate bombs for $8 each. Okay. She believes that she can increase her profits by selling more hot chocolate bombs at a lower price. She estimates that she will sell 40 more per month for every 50-cent price decrease. All right, write an equation to represent profits. So for Leah here, her profit, as with all profit, it's profit is equal to revenue minus cost. So for her case, her revenue is going to be the number of bombs sold, and this is going to be times the money per bomb, except I spelled bomb wrong there. Let's try that again. Bomb minus the overall cost. All right. So putting this into what's actually going on in this problem. So P of X, that's our profit, and X represents the number of 50-cent decreases. All right, so the number of bombs. She normally sells 100 at $8 per bomb, and then overall her monthly costs are $350. Now, if we take this and we adjust it, so let's see. She believes she can sell 40 more of the bombs, so plus 40x, for every 50-cent price decrease, so minus 0.5x or 0.50x. So this is our profit equation. The profit inequality is the exact same thing, but we want this to be, whoops, let me get a minus sign going there. So minus 0.5x minus 350 is greater than 0. So any amount of money greater than 0 would represent her profit for the month. All right, so remember, it's revenue minus cost. So what is the most profit she can make? Well, this expression is going to go into does most. And let's see what we get here for Leah and her hot chocolate business. So 40x, whoops, put the parentheses in the wrong place there. All right, times 8 minus 0.5x, and then minus 350. Okay, so my equation is into does most, and I'm going to try and find where the graph is now. Oh, there we go. All right, so I've got the graph. Let's see, we're going to maximize profits. Now, here's where we got to be careful. This is not an easy integer or even integer to work with, so what we want to do is round it off, and we're going to say for the purposes of our problem that x is equal to 7. So Leah needs to make 7 changes to her cost. So we're going to take this 7 and put it into this expression and see what we get for our actual profits. So 100 plus 40 times 7 times 8 minus 0.5 times 7 minus 350. So every place I have an x, I just replaced it with a 7. And let's see what we get here for some, some profits. I'm trying to get this in quickly, and of course, as soon as I start doing it too quickly, my fingers miss buttons. All right, so her profit per month would be $1,360. Okay. At what price should she sell the hot chocolate bombs to maximize her monthly profit? Well, we already know that X is 7. So the price part is 8 minus 0.5x. So 8 minus 0.5 times 7. Let's see what we get if we just do that portion of it. So she should sell each of the chocolate bombs for $4.50. Okay. How many does she need to sell to maximize her monthly profit? Well, the number of bombs is right here. It's 100 plus 40x. And again, x is still equal to 7. So 100 plus 40 times 7. So into my calculator it goes. Conveniently Desmos doubles as a calculator along with graphing everything else. So per month, she would sell 380 of the hot chocolate bombs. And then the last question is, what is the lowest price she could charge for the hot chocolate bombs and still make a monthly profit of at least $1,000? So yes, that is a possibility to make $1,000 profit. So I'm going to put in a horizontal line on Desmos. Let me make sure I get all the zeros in there. All right, so y is equal to 1,000. All right. Now this one actually, wow, this turned out really, really nicely. This is a perfect integer. All right, this worked out perfectly as x is equal to 11. There's no guess here. We just know that's what it is. So x is equal to 11. What is the lowest price? So price is 8 minus 0.5 times 11. Let me go ahead and use the parentheses there. So 8 minus 0.5 times 11. So if she were to drop her cost to $2.50 per of the hot chocolate bombs, she would be selling enough of them that she would still make a profit of at least $1,000 a month. In fact, she would make exactly $1,000 a month selling those. All right, that is the end of example number 4, and that's the end of this note sheet. If you've got any questions or concerns on the inequality word problems, please let me know.